How to convert image to text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, tap on the live text icon at the bottom right corner of the photo as shown. And then, tap on Copy All at the bottom left. Select the text you want to copy from here and then tap on Copy. After that, you can share it. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily convert image to text on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.